This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the liftgate and remove the tail light housing mounting fasteners. Pull out the taillight housing carefully towards you to disengage it from the vehicle. Disconnect the electrical connector. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise to remove it from the headlight housing. To remove the bulb, pull it straight out of the bulb holder. Carefully install the new bulb into the holder. Install the new bulb in its holder and turn it clockwise to secure. Reconnect the electrical connector to the taillight housing. Install the taillight housing, aligning the two pins, pushing straight in on the housing to lock it in place. Install the housing fasteners and tighten them securely.